Okay guys, this is definitely a comfort food, and the one thing I think it's missing is a little bit of sage sausage from Kroger. It's macaroni and cheese. I use the fettuccine noodles that have 0 calories, 9 grams fiber. I use this cheese. I know it's not the best cheese, but it's not that bad. I did 2 ounces of it, and I did a heaping tablespoon of sour cream. Again, I took the noodles, I rinsed them, and then I pan fried them in a tablespoon of butter. Then I threw the cheese on top and the sour cream and just let it melt. And then I just seasoned it with salt and pepper, and I'm telling you, it's delicious. Just another thing you can have on this diet that tastes like comfort food. Again, it does taste a lot like mac and cheese, just a little bit more rubbery. And then yesterday, this is what I made. Yesterday, I like to eat shrimp ramen at night, but I didn't have any shrimp. And I did have peppers and zucchini and squash and mushrooms. So I just pan fried all that together and made this dish. And I even had customers trying it today, and everybody loved it. So I'm telling you, these noodles are so good for weight loss. They're such a superfood. Look at this. No sugar, no fat, no gluten, no soy. They are 0 calories, and all the carbs are fiber. Like, you're literally eating fiber. You're eating something that tastes like macaroni and cheese, but it's really fiber. And you're eating something that tastes like a noodle vegetable dish, but it's really fiber. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com or come see us in the Davison Farmers Market.